Nicholas Bentz, OTR driver trainer. I'm from Sevierville, Tennessee. When I became a contractor, they're like, hey, Nick, you come to be a trainer. So I became a trainer, and now I preach to the students now about the contractor division side. You got to put the work into it like you do everything else. And if you guys want to attend the workshop, or if you're interested in becoming a contractor, they have an independent contractor workshop every Thursday at 11:30 at the VDPD office downstairs, right across the room from the break room. Basically, pick and choose your loads. There's no rushing on anything. It's like as if you're owning your own business. If you want to own your own business and make a company out of it, it gives you the footsteps to get an idea of what it's like. It's not easy, and it's not for everybody. You're gonna struggle a little bit because you need to learn where the lanes are at, where the freight's at. You need to figure out what cities to go to, what cities not to go to. Also, that you're not gonna be able to get home every 2 to 3 weeks or every week if you wanna be a contractor. It doesn't work like that. You still gotta pay a truck payment at the end of the week, just like you would if you were out there owning your own truck. Just put your time into it. Get everybody to know who you are, not just by a truck number, but also by who you are and how hard you run your truck. It means everything. It means I'm doing good here. Everybody enjoys me here. I'll keep on pushing, keep on doing more leases with them, and then just keep on being a Stevens transport driver.